everyone, welcome to Kitchen Brand Store. Today we are going to show you one very unique product, which is smart geyser. You can say smart water heater. So why it is smart? This is because of this can be connected to, if you look closely, this can be connected to Wi-Fi from here, from your home network. And then what you can do is you can control this geyser from an app sitting anywhere, in your office or wherever. So like if you start traveling from your office and you have like 30 minutes or 45 minutes to reach home, then you can turn on the geyser right then before starting the office, and you can set the temperature. All you have to do is just configure first time. You have to be in range of this particular product. It should be connected to your internet connection, your home internet connection, using the WPS method. And then once it is connected, you can control it from anywhere, right? So you can set the eco mode, you can set the temperature, how much temperature, and it is going to show you in the app you can download from the Play Store, or iOS. For iOS and Android, both apps are available. So you can just download and set the temperature, and it is going to show you how long it is going to take to make the water ready for you. So these are all the function. It is also very good looking as well, and comes in multiple sizes as well. So as per your choice, you can go for 10 liters, 15 liters, or 25 liters, whatever capacity you want. This is a 15 liter what I am showing you a demo. So if you have more questions, we have limitations of, because this is a new product and we cannot turn it on. It has to have water inside to turn this on, otherwise it can damage it. So that's why we are not turning it on, right? So that's why I'm just showing you around about this particular product. This is a 4-star product, and you can see this is 15 liter, 2000 watts are the rated power for this, right? And this is, yes, we forgot to mention you, this is from a very reputed brand, Racold. So this is all about this particular product. So if you have any questions, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. We are going to answer all your questions, and if you have question about any other product as well, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching from Kitchen Brand Store.
Ba ba da ba ba.